Hello everybody, and I'm here with slime. So this is my slime collection video. So I hope you guys love this video, and if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. It'll be right there. It was a lot of fun making, and it's a really good video, so go check that out after you're done with this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. If you have any questions for me, just ask them. And like this video. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one slime, and it is a violety purple slime. This one is my favorite. It's just squishy and very slimy, and I love it a lot. So this slime is actually made with some different types of food coloring. The food coloring was it was like from a food coloring kit. It was coloring from a kit, a DIY kit. So this slime is a little bit more firm than you could imagine, but it is a lot of fun to play with and my favorite. And I like it just for the squishy part, and I think it's very slimy, and I think it does the job. Oh, and it's stretchy, of course. We always need our stretchy slime. So, that slime is a thumbs up for me. Yay, I love this slime. I'm going to be voting these slimes I made them a few days ago, so from thumbs up to thumbs down. So, I will see what I vote for the other slimes. So, slime number 1 has passed. I love that slime. I think it's still pretty good. Then we have slime number 2. So slime number 2 is this Lego slime. It has real Legos in it, real pieces of Legos. The Legos do fall out, and that is the only problem. And so when I kind of pick it up, it kind of ends up a mess, and that Lego fell on the ground. But it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a sad Lego experience. I feel like it could be better, and it was a little bit better. But I think now it's definitely a thumbs down. Not saying that it's not stretchy or anything. I think this is the most stretchy out of all the slimes. But it's like thin and oily. It feels like oily. It's weird. Okay, so that slime is a thumbs down, sadly. Thumbs down for that slime. You guys leave a thumbs up or thumbs down in the comments for each slime. So we have purple slime, Lego slime, and then the last slime. So you guys tell me what you think for that slime. Do you think it's a thumbs up slime or a thumbs down slime? Oh, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so the next slime is this beautiful orange slime. I love this slime. It's not my favorite one, but I think the color is really nice. So this slime is a little bit harder, and I can't decide if it's a thumbs down or thumbs up. So thumbs down and thumbs up. But it's not very stretchy. It's not really pokey, which we know, everyone, it has to be pokey slime to be slime. From my friend over there, Dr. Squish, which if you guys haven't seen any videos of Dr. Squish, she's awesome. She's super cool. I think she's a really cool YouTuber, and she kind of got me into slime, so thumbs up to Dr. Squish over there. So this slime is really cool. I think it's fun to play with, but it's not very fun for slime. Like, that was me. Kind of like even pulling it lightly, it's ripping, you know? So I think this is gonna have to be a thumbs down slime. Oh, I'm so sad that this is a thumbs down slime, but it kind of has to be a thumbs down slime, sadly. Okay, so yeah, thumbs down slime. Hey you guys, so I have all of my 3 slimes. The Lego slime was a thumbs down. The orange slime, which we just saw, was also a thumbs down. And the purple slime was the only thumbs up. So this slime is super fun and my favorite. So this one won the award today. Make sure to leave down in the comments what you think your favorite slime is, and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Subscribe with any reason, okay? And like this video. Give this video a like. Definitely give this video a like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!